This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the right turn from Kingsteignton towards Totnes. As you can see, we're heading southbound on the A380. The sign on the left is telling us that we need the left-hand lane for Totnes, so we're going to stay in the position. The right-hand lane is going to continue on the dual carriageway towards Torquay. Once we've passed the footbridge, the lane is going to start to widen. Because we're turning right at the roundabout, we're going to start positioning towards the right hand side of this lane, so staying close to that white line on your right. It's important we don't cross it though, or we'll end up going towards Torquay. So the signs from this side are quite late, but because we're turning right at the roundabout, we're going to position into the right hand lane nice and early. We can see as we approach there is confirmation from the sign that it's the centre lane for Totnes. So as we come up to the lights here, we do need to keep an eye out on these yellow boxes, making sure that they are clear for us to continue. The road markings are for Newton Abbot, but this lane does go towards Totnes. We can see a right arrow in the lane here. So the lane to our left, signposted Torquay, that is going to now leave the roundabout. So this will become the new left lane. Keep a check on your mirrors as you're coming round here. Always be aware of what's going on around you. So you may be able to see here how tight this lane is. It's really important that we keep over to the left as we leave this roundabout so we're not interfering with the lane to the right. If you are ever following any large vehicles here, they will not be able to stay in the lane, so make sure that you are giving them space and that you are positioning correctly for you and forget about what they're doing. So as we leave the roundabout here, you can see we just keep over to the left, and then we could use this lane to turn left if we needed to, or continue on ahead towards Asda and on towards Totnes. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?